Okay, I'm in a 2017 Buick Lacrosse. It is push button start. I'm gonna start it up. One of the reasons why I'm showing you this video today is it's a little different. The gear shift is different. Now you see my keys are right here. IU all day. Y'all can see that IU. Indiana University. Anyway, but you see how it's in park. I'm gonna show you guys how to use the gear shift. Well, if you want it in park, you have to press the P up here. If you want to put it in reverse, you have to hold the button in. There's a button on the side. Hold the button in, go up and to the left. Then now, as you see, rear view camera comes on. I had to let it go, so look. Now let it go. Now it's in reverse. So I'm backing up. Okay. Just that fight to buy with all my clothes. Backing out. Hold up. Show y'all what to do next. Give me a second. All right. Now, put it in drive. I'm grabbing it, pressing the button. You see I press down. Press the button, hold the button in, and I pulled it back down. So now, driving. All right. Show y'all park real quick. Like I said, you just press the button up and park. So you press P and press up and it goes in park. If I put it in drive, press the button, down, same time, it's in drive. If I just press P, it'll go in park automatically. Yep, try to move the car just now by moving my body, the car didn't go anywhere. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in drive. Thanks for viewing my video. Hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment, and yeah, subscribe. Leave me and hit that thumbs up. Have a nice day.